Do you know which foods can help regulate blood sugar levels and contribute to diabetes management? Yes, diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Keep in mind that managing diabetes involves various factors, including medication, physical activity, and most importantly, diet. Now, choosing the right foods can help control blood sugar levels and prevent complications. And so, in this video, we explore the 20 best foods for diabetics, each contributing to better glucose control and overall well-being. But before we begin, if you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button to join us, and also the notification bell, so you get notified every time we upload a new video. And if you are already subscribed to this channel, we sincerely thank you, and all our subscribers, for supporting our channel. And here is a disclaimer. The information in this video is for general educational purposes only, and is no substitute for direct medical care or advice from a doctor, or a healthcare professional, or a dietitian. Alright, so, here we go. 1. Non-starchy vegetables, for example, broccoli, spinach, kale. Yes, these vegetables are low in carbohydrates, as well as calories, while being rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Specifically, they help stabilize blood sugar levels, but also provide essential nutrients. 2. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Bear in mind that berries are packed with antioxidants, fiber, as well as vitamins. Research has found that they have a low glycemic index and can help manage blood sugar fluctuations. 3. Whole grains, like oats, quinoa, brown rice. It has been discovered that whole grains contain complex carbohydrates and fiber, which slow down the absorption of sugar. And so, they provide sustained energy, as well as improve insulin sensitivity. 4. Fatty fish, for example, salmon, mackerel, sardines. Yes, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fatty fish promote heart health, but also reduce inflammation. What is special about them is that they are a great source of protein, without raising blood sugar levels. 5. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds. Several studies have shown that these foods provide healthy fats, protein, as well as fiber, which help maintain stable blood sugar, but also support heart health. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. 6. Lean protein, like chicken, turkey, tofu. Always remember that protein-rich foods can help control hunger, stabilize blood sugar, and support muscle health, without causing significant blood sugar spikes. 7. Greek yogurt. Bear in mind that low-fat Greek yogurt is high in protein, as well as probiotics. In particular, it aids digestion, helps control appetite, and may improve insulin sensitivity. 8. Cinnamon. Yes, cinnamon is a spice known for its potential to enhance insulin sensitivity, making it easier for cells to use glucose effectively. 9. Avocado. Keep in mind that rich in monounsaturated fats, as well as fiber, avocados help stabilize blood sugar levels, but also support heart health. 10. Eggs. Indeed, eggs are a protein powerhouse, and contain essential nutrients, like vitamin D, and choline. Especially, they have a minimal effect on blood sugar, and can help with satiety. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. 11. Garlic. Yes, bear in mind that garlic has been associated with improved insulin sensitivity and may help lower blood sugar levels. 12. Sweet potatoes. Indeed, these are a nutritious alternative to regular potatoes, rich in complex carbohydrates, fiber, and vitamins. In particular, they are known to stabilize blood sugar levels. 13. Legumes, for example, beans, lentils, chickpeas. Always remember that high in fiber and protein, legumes help regulate blood sugar levels, as well as provide a feeling of fullness. 14. Tomatoes. Yes, being low in carbohydrates, and rich in vitamins and antioxidants, tomatoes can be a valuable addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. 15. Flavored water with lemon or lime. Keep in mind that this is a refreshing and hydrating choice to replace sugary beverages, which can cause blood sugar spikes. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. 16. Vinegar. Yes, several studies suggest that vinegar can improve insulin sensitivity, as well as reduce post-meal blood sugar levels. 17. Turmeric. Research has found that this spice contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory properties and potential to help regulate blood sugar. 18. Tofu. Yes, a versatile source of plant-based protein, tofu can be incorporated into various dishes and supports blood sugar control. 19. Dark chocolate, in moderation. It has been discovered that high-quality dark chocolate, with at least 70% cocoa, may have cardiovascular benefits, and can be enjoyed in moderation as a treat. 20. Green tea. Bear in mind that green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which may help lower blood sugar levels, as well as improve insulin sensitivity. Do you have any other foods to add to the list? If you do, feel free to add them in the comments section below. And in conclusion, always remember that 1. Incorporating these 20 best foods for diabetics into your diet can help you take control of your blood sugar levels, but also improve your overall health. Now, 2. While these foods can be beneficial for diabetics, it is essential to monitor blood sugar levels regularly, but also adjust your diet and medication as needed. And 3. Since individual responses to foods can vary, it is also essential to consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare provider to create a personalized meal plan tailored to your specific needs. Last but not least, 4. When planning meals for diabetes management, it is crucial to focus on a balanced diet, portion control, as well as mindful eating. Finally, if you find value in this video, like the video, and remember to subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you get notified of new uploaded videos on this channel. Thank you for watching.